Plitvice National Park.
Nature's Symphony Unveiled.
Welcome to Plitvice National Park, a realm of natural wonder and enchantment, where water takes center stage in a symphony of life.
Nestled in the heart of Croatia, Plitvice National Park is a place where the forces of water, stone, and life have come together to create a masterpiece of nature.
Plitvice is a testament to the power of water and time. The limestone formations have been sculpted over millennia, creating this unique landscape.
Crystal clear rivers win their way through ancient woodlands, their murmurs a soothing backdrop to this pristine wilderness.
Plitvice undergoes a dramatic transformation with each season, from the icy tranquility of winter to the vibrant rebirth of spring.
Wildlife thrives in this sanctuary. Here, amidst the untouched beauty, nature's inhabitants roam freely.
Even the smallest details in this lush tapestry of life have a story to tell.
Plitvice is a botanical treasure trove. Its flora includes rare and endemic species that have adapted to this unique environment.
At the heart of this paradise, waterfalls cascade down in a breathtaking display of nature's grandeur.
To preserve the fragile ecosystem, wooden walkways have been carefully constructed, allowing visitors to experience the park's beauty while treading lightly on the land.
Plitvice is a photographer's dream. The interplay of light and water here creates scenes that seem straight out of a fairy tale.
As the day unfolds, the waterfalls take on different personas, from the soft glow of morning to the fiery brilliance of sunset.
The lakes themselves are a revelation. The azure waters are not only a sight to behold but also a playground for those seeking serenity.
Our boats have been ferrying visitors here for generations. Or the keepers of the park stories.
For the adventurous, Plitvice offers a network of hiking trails that lead to hidden corners and breathtaking vistas.
Birdsong fills the air. Plitvice is a haven for avian species, a testament to the park's ecological health.
Plitvice's varied habitats attract a wide range of birds. It's a paradise for birdwatchers.
As autumn arrives, the park transforms into a painter's palette, with trees ablaze in hues of red and gold.
Culture and nature coexist here. Local traditions are celebrated with music, dance, and festivals that pay homage to Plitvice's timeless beauty.
When night falls, Plitvice's magic doesn't dim. The skies come alive with a tapestry of stars.
We've worked hard to preserve the pristine night skies here. Plitvice is now recognized as a dark sky park, a sanctuary for stargazers.
As the sun rises over these enchanted waters, we're reminded of the delicate balance of nature and the enduring beauty of Plitvice National Park.
Join us as we delve into this natural wonder, a testament to the power of water, time, and life's harmonious dance.
Enchanted Waters, Plitvice National Park is a visual and emotional journey you won't want to miss as we explore the symphony of nature in this pristine sanctuary.